every so often we've had celebrations in the past. We had, when we were 10 years in existence, we had one. And then when we were 20 years, we had one. And then some people said, well, we should mark the 30 years. So our branch is 30 years in Sligo at this stage. And it's busy, trying to promote music and song and dance and the Irish language as best we can.
Share ar an obair atá déanta ag an craobh seo. Is beag craobh atá ann gon an méid céine déanta go. Flaceol na héireann, rangan na ceol, cuasaí, gachráid mar sin. So is tóca, is maithan rud go bhfuil ceiliúra á dhéanamh agus is maithan rud freisin gan darúd i dhéanamh an na daoine a chuig ród.
Well, Seamus' book is great, and I suppose it's only Seamus could do it, because Seamus was with the branch right from the start, and every event we have, Seamus is there with the camera. So when it comes to somebody taking the time out, and then there's very few people who would do that, but Seamus would do it, and he's able to do it. But when it comes to taking the time out to put it all together, Seamus has a lot of the material there because he collected it over the years.
Well, the book is really a history of the branch for the last 30 years. There's probably more photographs than text in it. There's a multiplicity of young people in it, and it tries to capture most of what has happened. You know, our work with the bands and the groups, our work in public performance, all of that kind of stuff. We try to encapsulate that as best as possible.
Well, is tócha rud atá anna háchtach leis an gréibh an seo agus go mór bhór Fred Finn féin. Le bhíoh clú agus cáil ar Fred ar fud na crinne le daoine go bhfuil simachá sa ceol Gael. Cosú le Peter Horton agus daoine eile comá. Agus tá créibeacha gonaníos sin áiteacha agsúla san Argentine, Chile, Colombia ar fud na Stáit-Aontaithe, Darrói ar fud na Braitseanna. Agus is tócha nuair a smaoiníonn tú ar chuireann sé úna agus áthas ormsa i gcónaí. Go bhfuil sim ag daoine nach bhfuil éon bhainteacha leis an tír seo bhfuil simachá sa ceol agus sa cultúr freisin. Agus is tócha go mbeidh sim ag anna chuid daoine san scéal atá a ceiliúra gin an seo anocht. Agus tá cinnte freisin go mbeidh an leabhar atá fáilsethe go mbeidh sé sin scapt ar fud na crinne.
I suppose we always try to look at new stuff to grow the branch. We always try and improve our organisation and give more opportunities to the musicians who are part of the branch. A feature there in recent years has been the success of the adult classes. About 3 years ago we started adult classes on a Thursday night, and we have consistently more than 30 people attending those classes.